Hi, this is Steve Wiideman. Today I'm going to walk you through a quick tutorial on how to identify whether or not your website uses Google Universal Analytics and how to get the code and install it on your website, provided you're using WordPress. Most of our videos are centered around WordPress, but still can be applied toward a static template or through another CMS or content management system. So today let's take a look at my old website that I haven't updated in over a year. Literally over a year. It's 2014 as I'm recording. I'm going to right click anywhere on the page. Notice I'm in Google Chrome. If you're in any other browser, Internet Explorer I believe has a view page source, and I'm pretty sure that Firefox has view source, and Safari is likely the same. So we're going to right click anywhere off the page, not onto an image. If you do it on an image, you won't get view source. So view off to the side over here, view source. And then what I do is Control F, and I look for UA dash. Now if you see 3 simple lines of code, and then followed by 3 other separate lines of code, and it looks relatively simple, then it's probably the classic Universal Analytics. The newer Analytics is a little bit more code heavy, and I'll show you that in a moment. So I know on my own that I probably haven't installed the Universal Analytics, but I'm going to go ahead and log in to my Analytics account and take a look. So here in Google Analytics, I logged in, just google.com/analytics, and I clicked on Admin. Under Admin, it shows the property. In this case, the property is SEOsteve.com, and it says Universal Analytics Upgrade Transfer Not Started. I'm going to go ahead and click that button, scroll to the bottom, and select Transfer. It takes up to 24 hours for the transfer to complete. Because I used the code across multiple websites, I kind of know what it looks like already. So I've gone ahead and just replaced the UAID from another account with SEOsteve.com. And I'm going to go ahead and take this code from another account, of course, but change to my domain. And I'm going to go to my website. On my website, because I'm WordPress, there's a few different options. You can use a third-party plugin, which if that plugin has update issues or does not update effectively with the WordPress upgrades, you risk losing data. So my preference, especially with Google Analytics now, is to just add the code manually to the head of the document. So what I'm going to do is navigate to Appearance and Editor. Most themes should allow you to edit the header.php file. This guy right here. Don't get too freaked out because there's not a lot of code to do. All you've really got to do is just click Paste. So what you're going to do is find the tag, scroll down, find the tag that says \head. And if it helps, just use Control F on your keyboard or Command F and do a search for /head. Paste in your code just above that area. Now notice a moment ago we scrolled past the old Google code. If indeed your Google code is in the head of the document, we're going to go ahead and go back up to where that script ends and where it starts. If you don't know how to recognize the start and end of the script, and you can't use this video to reference for whatever reason, talk to your webmaster and ask him to remove the old Google Analytics code. Go ahead and click on Delete. And Update File. If you don't see an update file and a message that says that you need to update your htaccess file to make this editable, then instead take the code, pass it over to your webmaster or to your web host, and ask them to please add this Google Analytics code. Go ahead and click on Update File. And make sure if you do this, of adding the Universal Analytics, that you don't currently have any plugins installed. And you'll know because you'll go to Settings, and you'll see something in here that says Google Analytics, or something down here that says Analytics. So that's it. We've identified whether we use Google Analytics Universal Search Results or not. We've captured the code from admin under tracking, and we've applied it to our WordPress site. If you're using a static website or any other content management system, you can paste that piece of code into the head of the index page of your website using any standard file transfer program like FileZilla, for example. If you need help with that, definitely contact your web host or just paste the code into a text file and email the web host with that text file so that they can make the update for you. It should be on the head of every document on your website. On WordPress, you simply need to put it into header, and it will get applied to every page of your website. This is Steve Wiideman. Thank you so much for watching.